Hello, everyone. We're going to see in this video how to add an autoload and an intro and branding your panorama. As you can see, you can switch autoload from on to off to let the panorama load only by a click on a button. And don't forget always to update your preview to see changes. As you can see, I clicked on the button to load the panorama and my virtual tour is loaded. You can use this tool if you have multiple panorama in same page of your website. Here's a refined version of the idea in text form. With our panorama customization features, you can add a personal touch to your virtual tour by including a title and author information. Showcase your work by adding a title that will be prominently displayed within the panorama, helping visitors easily identify the project. You can also brand your panorama by adding your author name, giving credit to the creator, and reinforcing your professional identity. But that's not all. You can include an author link that directs viewers to your personal website or portfolio. This feature not only enhances the presentation of your work, but also allows visitors to explore more of your content, creating opportunities for networking, business, or personal growth. In final step, you can add a presentation content as introduction to your panorama by clicking on Presentation Settings. Then you can add custom HTML content and custom CSS content, then update your preview. See your stunning intro. Here we are after you finish all your modifications. Don't forget to save your panorama. With these branding features, your panoramas will stand out and your visitors will always know where to find more of your stunning creative work.
Here we are.
See you in other video.